Euro banknotes and coins were introduced in 2002, and since then, people across Europe have been able to pay for goods and services using euro cash anywhere in the euro area. But making cashless payments across European borders can still be complicated. SEPA, the Single Euro Payments Area, aims to address this by creating common payment instruments and a more innovative market for retail payments. The European payments industry has been moving in this direction for several years. It has created two basic payment instruments which are being introduced across Europe: SEPA Credit Transfer and SEPA Direct Debit. With SEPA credit transfers, people can move funds in a single transaction to an account inside or outside their home country within a single business day. For example, a company in Finland can pay its suppliers in different parts of Europe just as easily and quickly as it pays its suppliers at home. With SEPA Direct Debits, a company in one country can directly charge an account in another country. So, for instance, an Austrian national living in France can arrange for his French telephone bill to be paid directly from his account in Austria. To facilitate such transfers, an international standard for identifying payment accounts has been adopted in Europe. It's called the International Bank Account Number, or IBAN. There is also another identifier called the Business Identifier Code, or BIC. As of February 2014, SEPA payment instruments will be used for all credit transfers and direct debits in euro, both within the euro area countries and between them. EU countries that use other currencies will also adopt these instruments for payments in euro, at the latest in 2016. In addition, other payment instruments are adapting to the SEPA market. SEPA for Cards enables consumers to use the payment cards they use in their own country for purchases elsewhere in Europe, and merchants, for their part, can readily accept payment cards from all over Europe. For both groups, SEPA for Cards combines convenience with a high level of security. Internet payments that are based on SEPA will foster electronic commerce in Europe. SEPA also paves the way for other innovative services such as mobile payments. All in all, the advantages are considerable. Consumers can easily buy goods and services anywhere in Europe. Travelling or moving house is simpler too. Payments are fast and reliable, and what you see is what you pay. Companies can centralize their European treasuries and make all their payments through just one account. Banks and payment service providers can expand their businesses and compete more effectively at European level. SEPA is an important project for Europe, for its people and its businesses. The Single Euro Payments Area, for safe and efficient payments all over Europe.